Pinangangambahan ni BTA Deputy Speaker Attorney Omar Yasser Sema ang posibleng banggaan ng BARM government at national government sa usapin ng implementasyon ng Bangsamoro Autonomy Act No. 77. Samantala, sa isyu naman ng paghahain ng kapwa nito miyembro sa parlamento ng petisyon sa Supreme Court na humihiling na ideklarang unconstitutional ang BAA No. 77, ayon kay Deputy Speaker Sema, karapatan umano ng mga lawmaker ang pagsagawa ng hakbang.
And it worries me kasi nga baka magkaroon ng clash, no, between the BARM government and the Commission on Elections, no, as far as the implementation is concerned. Kaya nga ang dami na akong nafa-file sa Supreme Court, no, and the initial consequence there is makita natin the prayer, may TRO may prayer for TRO. And that's it. And ultimately, when you pray for a TRO, meron din yung final prayer for permanent injunction, not to implement the whole law. And that's it. But nonetheless, still believe na meron pa rin legal basis itong elections na ito. It's their right. It's their right to go to the Supreme Court. Hindi yun maaalis sa kanila, no? Probably they feel that they nabitin sila doon sa legislative process, parang nakulang na hindi narinig yung boses nila, no? And for them the last resort is the Supreme Court, which is actually the case right now. They're going towards the last resort, and it will be the Supreme Court who will decide on the matter. Generally, all laws should be implemented. That's the work of the executive. Kaya nga the President always has the power to ensure that all laws are faithfully executed among his subordinates, by his subordinates. Ang medyo worrying lang kasi doon yung statement ni Commissioner and Chairman George Garcia that they will not implement the law. Medyo advanced masyado yun na statement, no? It would have been better that we will review first the law before we implement it. Kasi yun naman yung mandate nila as far as the election laws that the COMELEC, the Bangsamoro Parliament has been passing. Lahat ng election laws na pinasa namin, ni-review nila yan bago i